Dr. Daniel shares top crypto security secrets. Hey crypto investors, Dr. Daniel here, and welcome back to the channel. Did you know over $3.8 billion was stolen in crypto hacks just last year? That's enough to make anyone think twice about their crypto security. Look, I've been in the crypto space for over a decade and I've seen it all. From simple phishing scams to complex DeFi exploits, the threats are real, and they're constantly evolving. That's why I'm here today to share with you my top crypto security secrets. These are the exact strategies I use to protect my own crypto investments, and I'm confident they can help you too. So, if you're serious about safeguarding your digital assets, stick around because you don't want to miss this. Now before we dive into the nitty-gritty of crypto security, let's take a moment to understand the gravity of the situation. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly, and with it, the threats are becoming more sophisticated and frequent. It's crucial to stay informed and vigilant. We've seen a disturbing rise in crypto hacks and breaches in recent years. These incidents are not just isolated events, they are part of a growing trend that affects everyone in the crypto community. Just last month, a major crypto exchange fell victim to an exploit, resulting in millions of dollars drained from unsuspecting users' accounts. This breach not only caused financial loss, but also eroded trust in the platform. And it's not just exchanges that are being targeted. Individual investors are increasingly becoming the focus of these malicious attacks. We're also seeing an increase in attacks on individual investors like you and me. These attacks can be devastating, wiping out life savings in a matter of minutes. Hackers are becoming more sophisticated, using clever tactics like phishing emails, fake websites, and even malware to gain access to our precious crypto holdings. They exploit our trust and lack of awareness to infiltrate our accounts. Remember the infamous case of the Twitter hack where high-profile accounts were compromised to promote a Bitcoin scam? This incident highlighted the vulnerabilities even in well-established platforms. That's just one example of how vulnerable our digital world can be. The interconnected nature of our online presence means that a breach in one area can have far-reaching consequences. The truth is, if you're not taking crypto security seriously, you're leaving yourself wide open to potential losses. It's not a matter of if, but when you might be targeted. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. Instead, I'm here to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to protect yourself. Understanding the risks is the first step towards safeguarding your assets. I'm here to empower you with the knowledge and tools you need to protect yourself. By implementing robust security measures, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim. Because the good news is, with the right security measures in place, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim. Simple steps, like using two-factor authentication, securing your private keys, and staying informed about the latest threats, can make a huge difference. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave your house unlocked with a stack of cash lying around, would you? The same principle applies to your digital assets. Well, your crypto assets deserve the same level of protection, if not more. Treat them with the same care and caution as you would your physical valuables. So let's move on to the next chapter where I'll reveal the first layer of defense in your crypto security arsenal. Stay tuned, because what you learn next could be the key to protecting your investments. Alright, let's get down to business. Today, we're diving deep into the top crypto security secrets that every investor needs to know. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these tips are crucial for safeguarding your assets. First and foremost, we need to address the foundation of your crypto security, your passwords. This might seem basic, but it's the cornerstone of your digital safety. I know you've heard it a million times before, but trust me, it's worth repeating. A weak password is like leaving your front door wide open. A strong, unique password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. It's the digital equivalent of a sturdy lock on your front door. And when I say strong, I mean a password that's at least 12 characters long, with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This complexity makes it significantly harder for hackers to crack. Don't even think about using password 123 or your pet's name. These are practically invitations for hackers. Hackers are always on the lookout for easy targets, and common passwords make their job a breeze. Instead, use a password manager. These handy tools generate and store complex passwords for you so you don't have to remember them all. It's like having a digital vault for your passwords. With a password manager, you can ensure that each of your accounts has a unique, strong password without the hassle of memorizing them. Next up, we have two-factor authentication, or 2FA for short. This is a must-have security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts. With 2FA enabled, even if someone gets hold of your password, they still won't be able to access your account without also having access to your second factor, which is typically a code sent to your phone or email. This additional step might seem like a hassle, but it's a small price to pay for the added security. Think of it as a second lock on your front door. Now let's talk about hardware wallets. These are physical devices specifically designed to store your private keys offline. Think of them as digital vaults for your crypto. By keeping your private keys offline, you're essentially eliminating the risk of them being stolen in a hack. Hardware wallets are incredibly secure because they are not connected to the internet, making them immune to online attacks. By keeping your private keys offline, you're essentially eliminating the risk of them being stolen in a hack. This is especially important for those holding significant amounts of cryptocurrency. I highly recommend using a hardware wallet for any significant amount of cryptocurrency you hold. It's a small investment that can save you a lot of heartache in the long run. Peace of mind is priceless when it comes to your financial security. And finally, let's not forget about social engineering, which is a fancy term for manipulation techniques that hackers use to trick you into giving up your personal information. They might send you phishing emails, create fake websites, or even impersonate someone you trust to gain your confidence. These tactics are designed to exploit your trust and trick you into revealing sensitive information. The best defense against social engineering is to be vigilant and skeptical. Always question the authenticity of unsolicited communications. Don't click on links from unknown senders. Double-check website URLs before entering any sensitive information, and never share your private keys with anyone. Stay informed and stay safe. Chapter 3. The Critical Secret. Now, we're getting to the really juicy stuff. This is the part where things get real, where the rubber meets the road. The critical secret I'm about to reveal could be the difference between keeping your crypto safe and losing it all. It's a game changer, a make or break moment for your digital assets. This secret is so simple yet so often overlooked that it's almost embarrassing. It's something that many people think they can skip, but trust me, you can't afford to ignore it. Are you ready for it? This could be the most important piece of advice you'll ever receive in the world of cryptocurrency. Here it is. Back up your seed phrase. Yes, it's that simple, but it's also that crucial. Your seed phrase, also known as a recovery phrase, is a series of 12 or 24 words that act as a master key to your crypto wallet. It's like the DNA of your digital assets. If you lose access to your wallet, your seed phrase is the only way to recover your funds. Without it, you're locked out forever. Think of it like the combination to a safe. It's the key that unlocks everything inside. If you lose the combination, you'll never be able to open the safe again. The contents are lost to you, just like your crypto would be without your seed phrase. The same goes for your seed phrase. Misplace it, and your digital fortune is gone forever. If you lose it, your crypto is gone forever. No recovery, no second chances. That's why it's crucial to back up your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. Don't just write it down and leave it lying around. And by safe, I don't mean storing it on your computer or phone where it's vulnerable to hackers. Digital storage is convenient but risky. The best way to back up your seed phrase is to write it down on a piece of paper or engrave it on a metal plate and store it in a secure location, like a fireproof safe or a safety deposit box. This way, it's protected from both digital and physical threats. Remember, this is your lifeline to your crypto, so treat it with the utmost care and attention. Your financial future could depend on it. Chapter 4. Recap and Importance. Alright, let's recap what we've covered so far. We talked about the growing concerns around crypto security, highlighting the alarming rise in hacks and breaches. Then, I shared my top security secrets, including using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, storing your crypto in a hardware wallet, being aware of social engineering tactics, and, most importantly, backing up your seed phrase. Now, I know that was a lot of information to digest, but I can't stress enough how important it is to implement these security measures. The crypto space is still relatively new, and with that comes inherent risks. But by taking the necessary precautions, you can significantly reduce your exposure to those risks and protect your hard-earned investments. Remember, it's not just about protecting your money, it's about protecting your peace of mind. Knowing that your crypto assets are safe and secure allows you to sleep soundly at night and focus on what really matters, growing your wealth. So don't wait until it's too late. Take action today and implement the security measures we discussed. Your future self will thank you for it. Chapter 5. Share your tips. Now, I've shared my top crypto security secrets with you, but I'm always eager to learn more. I'm sure many of you have your own security tips and tricks that you've picked up along the way. So let's make this a collaborative effort. Share your best crypto security tips in the comments below, and let's help each other stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Remember, the more we share our knowledge, the stronger we become as a community. And if you're hungry for more crypto insights, I've got just the thing for you. I recently released a video on the top crypto investing strategies that you don't want to miss. It's packed with actionable advice that can help you take your crypto portfolio to the next level. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these top crypto security secrets valuable. Remember to implement them in your investment strategy to safeguard your digital assets. If you have any security tips, please share them in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe. If you want to learn new crypto investing strategies, check out my other video on the top crypto investing tips. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.